Okay, we have a Mazak 4-axis horizontal machining center, model HCN-5000, serial number 279266. This machine was new in 2017 and we have it running. Right now it's running at 2,000 RPM. This machine is original paint. It is in nice condition. 5,000 RPM. It goes up to 18,000 RPM. It has a Cat 40 spindle. 10,000 RPM. An HCN-5000 is a 19.69 or 5,000 millimeter pallet, square. That's 12,000 RPM. This machine also has the smooth G touchscreen control.
You want to do a pallet change now?
Sure. We're going to do a pallet change. Again, that's the inside of the machine, super clean in there. Round and round the merry-go-round goes. Do it again. Okay. I'm going to jog the axes around. That's your Z. That's your B. Again, 360,000 degree index on the B. That's your Z. Y. And your X. All axes very quiet. And inside you can see the eye for the probe. Machine also has Mazak monitoring system B. Again, it's a Cat 40 spindle. It's got 120 ATC. Also, it is coolant through spindle, and you have a Mazak Superflow 1000 PSI pump with it. Machine also has the Mainframe Concept 2000 chip conveyor. We're going to do a tool change. Okay, so you've seen the machine do a tool change, you've seen the pallets index, you've seen the pallets rotate, you've seen the axes move, and you heard the spindle run. Hey, I think you've seen it. Thank you for watching our video.